In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your mobile data not working on your iPhone. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First things first, just check if your mobile data is turned on and your airplane mode is turned off. And after you've done that, just open up your settings and scroll down till you find the cellular option. Now right there, tap on cellular data options and make sure that your low data mode is turned off. Now after you've done that, just scroll down till you find privacy and security and go to location services. Make sure that your location services has been turned on. Now after you've done all those, your data should be working fine, but if it does not work, you can try to restart your iPhone. You can take out your SIM and put it back in again, and if it does not work again, just go to general. In your settings, scroll down till you find transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it and tap on reset and just reset your network settings. And after you've done that, your data should be working fine. So yeah, that is how you fix the problem, guys. That is all for the video too. Thank you for watching.